Okay, so I did disconnect the battery. Apparently that's very important. I'm just gonna put the phone down and yeah, let's see what happens. I think I found a spot right here where it sits perfectly. I think. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's see what happens. Okay. First, I'm going to put on my trusty old welding helmet. And then I'm going to place the nut between the tweezers. Oh god, this is kind of tricky. Just like that. Oh god, it's not as smooth as I thought. Oh goodness. Everything's in the way. Of course it is. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to put this as flush as possible. There, it's perfect. And then just tack that into place. And then I'll filter up with weld. So I turned up the welder all the way. And I only have the wire feed on 2. So it's fairly slow. So I'm hoping this goes pretty damn good. Uh-oh, it's already turned. Screwing up already. Okay, so let's tack this into place. See if this works. So a little peek. Ta-da! Okay, so it's tacked. I'm gonna make sure it's centered. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to fill this bad boy up with weld. I'm going to move my light to get better light. Okay, so here goes nothing. Actually, that's not going to work. This light position sucks. Let's try it right here. Alright, here goes nothing. At least I can see a bit better. I don't like where this is. I'm going to touch it. Okay, here we go. Fill her up. Yikes, I'm touching the freaking ground. It's freaking me out. Freaking me out! Let's try not to touch the ground. Might be a good idea. I might even have to move the ground. Let's see. No, I'm going to touch it every time. And I'm frying myself. And it's raining. I don't want to do that. Okay. So I guess what I'll do is move it. But where? I did a frame off resto on this truck already, so it's not like I have a lot of places that I can actually put the ground on. I wonder if I put it right here. Yikes. Right here maybe? I don't know. Sure, it's out of my way. Let's see if that helps. Okay, here we go. So, break the tip off, start fresh. Alright, let's fill her up. Make sure my ratchet's around, and it's not. Make sure it's an extract. Alright. There goes nothing. If this works, I'm going to be freaking jumping around like crazy. Pretty hot. It's really red. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, she's red hot. Red hot. So hopefully that didn't swell too bad. Let's see what happens. Extract. Oh baby, come on. Come on, daddy. Come on. No way. No. Oh no. That didn't even hold a little bit. That really sucks. Looks like we're starting off back at ground zero. I gotta figure out something better other than this. That didn't work too well. Alright, stay tuned for round 2.